get video of that. 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Look at that. Welcome back to today's windy vlog. Because it's really windy today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, because we try our best to give you guys the best content possible. I mean, like, we live normal lives here. You messed me up. I forgot where I was. So, because of that, we do things. The breakfast of champions. Are you a champion?
Okay, we're gonna go down to the baseball field and just see what's going on because it's windy.
I'm a weirdo like that.
You're intercepting things.
It's super cold.
Why did you wear?
Cold? I don't know.
I wore these.
Yeah, see, you were smart. I was not thinking. I chose.
Why are there all these like pile of leaves everywhere?
I think somebody came by with a weed eater, a wind blower, a leaf blower. Buttocks is cold now. Here comes a wind gust.
It's freezing with the wind.
My calves, my buttocks.
I don't understand how it's so sunny and it's so cold.
It's windy. It's windy. What can I say? My gluteus maximus. Oh, I'm in pain.
We're running back to get the car to intercept. This is a monumental moment. This is my first time riding.
Oh, shit, was that?
This is my first.
Yeah, we don't want to do this again. Jay's already scared.
This is my first time riding with Tom. He has his driver's license. Don't go running after a dust devil now.
Well, I was, but then I just barely stepped on the gas and kaboom! There it was. Oh, we're already intercepting, sir. ID, Barkley! Lock the doors! Yo, this is the Barkley most people do not see.
Tom has a new invention.
Well, it was already in the car. Look at that. It's part of the car.
Your water bottle?
No, of course it is. Did they die? No! I don't see him, Sam! I don't see him! Oh, that's a really big wing, guys. Bigger! We need 80 mile an hour. Stop giving me these 10 little piffy things. I'm weird as that. Wait, did you get that on camera? No, like the happiness thing. Well, then I feel depressed. It's windy. We gotta take this thing into a hurricane, sir.
We're headed back up into the unknown.
Look at that! Look at the leaves going across the road.
They're going after the light.
Wait, what happens if I move it today?
We're making some tornado things and Mom is failing.
It's way too much soap. Oh, sorry. It's way too much soap.
Look at the beauty.
The beauty.
The camera can't really see it, but
You wanna look at mine?
yeah, sure. Let's look at stupidity.
Yeah, look at you. Look at that.
Oh, look at that beauty.
Vortices. They got the multi-vortex tornado. Little straws coming down everywhere. 8 degrees.
Oh, wow. We're looking at the weather. We just clipped the chicken's wings so they can roam about. Hello, Nugget. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
water. We're gonna go put the hits on the vehicle. But first we need water. The bumper off. And now we're gonna put the hitch on. Just put the hitch on, look at there. We're gonna wait till another day to put the bumper on because we broke all the nuts in that one and one in this one, so we can't put the bumper back on. But yeah, we got it on. So release me. So we have accomplished what we set out to do.